The horrific gang rape of a student in a law college in Kolkata. And IND-TV has accessed the victim's complaint, and the accused was allegedly a Trinamool student wing leader. The main accused was an ex-student of the college. The other two accused are students at this law college. Now, the victim in her complaint has said the accused is an influential man in college and offered her a post in the Trinamool Congress. She says that she begged him and touched his feet to leave her alone. However, he threatened to kill her and her boyfriend, and two other accused watched as she was raped. These are the horrific details that are emerging in this story now, and of a rape case that took place in a law college. And in fact, the opposition BJP in the state has been hitting out over the breakdown of law and order and saying once again a rape taking place in a college campus. Let's go across to Sheshi now for more. Sheshi, take us through these details, and also the main accused, the rapist, was with the Trinamool Congress or remains with the Trinamool Congress?
Well, we can confirm that he is still with the Trinamool Congress, and he's a former student of the law college, but on the recommendation of the governing body, which is held by a sitting MLA of the Trinamool Congress. He was a visiting faculty member in that college, and he would be seen in the union room almost every day. Now, NDTV has accessed the complainant's copy to the Kolkata police, and absolutely horrific details. The victim, who is a student of this law college, says that she was in the canteen. She was about to leave for home when she was, taken in the corner by this particular accused, the prime accused, who is linked to the Trinamool Congress student wing. Thereafter, he gave her a marriage proposal, saying that he has always liked her and wants to marry her, to which the victim said that she's already in a relationship, she has a boyfriend, and she tried to leave for her home, but the accused then pushed her near the washroom and tried to have forceful sex with her. And that's when the two accomplices also came into the picture, who were guarding the washroom, ensuring that no one comes in or, goes in to check what's going on inside. The victim at that point in time felt so uneasy that she was short on breath. She was breathless. And that's when she has a pump that was brought in by one of the accused. And then she was taken to the security guard's room in the college. The security guard was asked to step outside and wait while the prime accused had sex with her, raped her inside the security guard's room, and all this inside the college campus. The complaint copy, the 4-page complaint copy to the Kolkata police, is absolutely horrific, and also goes on to say that the prime accused tried to hit the victim with a hockey stick, and also made a video of him raping her and saying that if she opens her mouth, then that video will be leaked. So this was the circumstances under which this victim was brutally gang raped, and thereafter a video of her was also made by these accused. Thereafter, she mustered the courage to go and file a police complaint at the Koshva police station, based on which an FIR was filed. I'll just tell you the sections under which the case has been started. Now, of course, these 3 persons were arrested within 12 hours of that FIR, and they have been sent to 4 days. Police custody, because the police wants to not only recreate the scene, but also wants to examine them forensically and also medically as to what actually, to gather more information regarding the incident that has taken place. But the complaint copy that we've accessed has those details, which are absolutely horrific. This entire episode started around 4:30 in the evening, when she had gone to the union room to have a snack, where all the students sit around after college to have a chat, to have some food, to catch up before they head home. And that ordeal for the victim started at 4:30 and continued till around 10:50, when she was able to finally leave the campus. The door of the security guard's room was locked from outside. The washroom inside which she was pushed in was locked from outside, and the main college gate was also locked so that she could not escape. Back to you.
All right, Shreyashi, so horrifying details really of this rape that took place on the campus of a law college, how the victim actually begged the man and even touched his feet. However, he threatened, to kill her. He also, that there was a video that was taken. So all these details now revealed, and also that the main accused, the main rapist, is a member of the Trinamool Congress, is what is now being alleged.